Alrighty. A friend of mine asked me if sunlight curves the same in a density gradient that laser light does. So I've set up a fish tank with a slotted cardboard box on one side and a green laser on the other side, shining through the fish tank at the same time. The laser's not super bright, but you can kind of see that it is actually following the same curve. I lined it up the best I could. You can see up where there's no density gradient, where it's just fresh water up at the top, the sun's rays are pretty straight, but as they go down and get into the gradient region, where it's changing from fresh to brine, they start curving, and then they don't curve so much when they're down in the pure brine. Okay, I raised the box up a little bit more so you can see more clearly how the bottom ray is curving down, and then this one, the second up ray is, the bottom's getting curved down more than the top, so it's getting dispersed, and then they level out. Of course, that's the plastic BB that's halfway between the density of the fresh water and the brine, so it's floating right there at its density level. I'm going to drop the box back down. Now you can see what happens there. You can see that one sun ray going through where the density gradient is the greatest, right where the BB is, see? You can see it bends the most. Now let me show you how I did this. When I get out from under there, I had to cover the whole fish tank up with black light stopping material so that I could see the sun ray in the tank, just like you can see sun rays in a dark building coming through the window. And then I set up a mirror here that beams the light from the sun straight, more or less straight into the slots on that box. So that's the story. Sunlight bends just like laser light in a density gradient in a fish tank.